Hello everyone, my name is Siddhant and I study in class 6 and I am a student. So today in this video I am going to tell you that how we can create our own website with domain name for free without any payments. By following some simple and easy methods we can create our own website. So we have to make sure that our device is connected to the internet. So now let's begin. So I would like to start my video by wishing all of you happy Vijaya Dashmi Tihar and Chhath. So the first step is to create our own website for free. We have to go to any web browser. For example, I am opening Google Chrome, and here in the search bar we have to type simple space site site, just click enter. Okay, see, so now here we have to click here, create a simple site for free. Okay, so here as you all can see, create a beautiful website. So here is what kind of website do you want to make. So I am choosing this personal blog. Click there. We have to just click there. Then okay, then this company, this website will ask you that please tell us a bit about your purpose so we can get you the best possible website. So here I am choosing this music and art. Continue. First list. So here personal blog, art, then continue to your website. Continue. Add a title to your website. See, it's free. So I will title. So title I will add, for example, my Nepali poems. Okay, see, my Nepali poems. Okay, my Nepali poems. Now we have to click here, continue. So okay, home, then continue. So free recommended images, I will pick one of yours. I will upload this. Then okay, we can also, I will upload my own. So at desktop I will just add some images. This company will ask you, so I will just go there, and here I will just add one picture, for example this. Okay, next, then continue. Then hi, I'm Aginaga, welcome to my website. Okay, so headline. So what do you want to be the headline of your website? So okay, my Nepali poems, no matter. Introduction. So you can add your name. For example, my name is Siddhant. I am a student and I study in class 6. Okay, oh, thank you. Okay, matter. Continue. At the left side you can see continue. Just click the continue by filling up the gaps and following the steps. Yeah, just continue. Just click continue, every continue. Okay, see, by following some easier steps only, my website is ready now. Okay, now we have to choose our username for our website. So Siddhant. We have to also write some numbers 1 2 3. Okay, continue. Now email address 112.116@gmail.com, and here we have to type our password. Okay, sign up now. So see, by following some only easy and simple methods, I can create my own website for free without any payments. See, this company will launch my website also. So here, congratulations, your website has been created. Now choose the address of your website. Now here are some $11. What we have to choose is the third one. It's for free. Just choose that. Continue. Got it. Okay, so as you all can see, my website is ready now. Okay, anyone can type my name and okay. Let's go back. Just means cancel. Okay. Is my from here you can add, for example, here is account setting. Okay, here so I can also add some pictures, image. For example, let add some pictures. I can design it, browse files. Example, my one cartoon. Okay, I can also add something. Coronas, like that. Okay, so it will save. You can design your website as you wish. Is My Nepali Poems. Okay, I can also add text here. I also can text web welcome banner, text. So it's for free. So as you all can see, so if I just click now to check my website, just go to any web browser, and for example I type the name of my website, siddhant123.simplesite.com. Okay, see now. See, okay, oh my god. See, just now I created this. Anyone can type the link or the name of my website and watch my. This is live on the internet. Anyone can search like this. Okay, so I hope that this video will be useful to you all to create your own website for free without any payments. So like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you. Okay, once again, happy Tihar Chhath. Okay, thank you.